What a privilege it is to bring to the market Simstone on behalf of Ray White Rural and Livestock, a magnificent property situated midway between the regional centres of Hamilton and Portland. 628 acres over 5 titles. This one's really worth a look. Absolutely full of capital improvements, 90 acre centre pivot, expandable to 120 acres, 121 megalitres of water, a magnificent 5-bedroom homestead plus a study, and the dairy 27 aside, modern and fully equipped. Let's have a look around.